Alright y'all, so I want to make a really quick video about how I clean my brushes. So of course you're going to see a million videos online on how you clean your brushes, and they got you buying all these little brush cleaners they got coming out now. Look, your mama cleaned her brush a long time ago and she wasn't using one of these little plastic brush cleaners. So I'm going to show you today not only the stuff I use to clean my brushes, but also what I use to do a little bit of deep cleaning. So you ain't got to go out and buy one of those little scrubber thingies or whatever they are. Anyway, so I'm going to show you a really quick video on how I clean my brushes using olive oil, dishwash liquid, and a denim brush. Y'all, a denim brush. And I know most of my natural hair girls, I know y'all got a denim brush. So we're gonna go ahead and check out that video right now. Alright guys, so here I'm just going to do a quick overview. This is the olive oil. You got your dishwash liquid, nice hot water, or you could use the sink. And then you're going to get a clean denim brush. Okay, this is going to be used for a scrubbing pad. First thing I'm going to do is put a few brushes in the oil. As you can see here, I just put a variety of brushes in the oil, kind of swoosh it around a little bit, just so you kind of get an idea of the way you can clean these brushes. So you kind of want to swish it around, because you got to remember that dishwash liquid cuts oil. So then you want to go ahead and dip it right in the dishwash liquid to see how it comes off like instantly. And then you just want to basically just start, you know, scrubbing your brushes right here inside of the bowl. So the denim brush is basically going to act as a brush scrubber. Depending on what kind you have, if it's a deep one or if it's a long one. I've basically tested it on all my brushes, and you just kind of scrub up and down, left to right, and you can see it like instantly becomes clean, like all the way down to the middle of the bristles, which is always a good thing. This works for the brushes for your eyebrows, little brushes, big brushes, and even this one right here that's really deep. You can see this one is really like dark, and even work for that one. Also, you can use the same method with your blender, like your blender sponges. But of course you don't want to put your blender sponges on the denim brush. You just want to kind of cover it with the olive oil first, then cover it with the dishwash liquid, and kind of like scrub and wash them out right in a bowl of hot water. Now of course you could use the sink. I just use hot water just for the purpose of this video, and that's just kind of giving you an idea of what I did. You can watch the rest of the video. Alright, so that was my video on how to, I don't know, clean your makeup brushes. You can try the method. Tell me what you do to clean your method. Of course, you can always go out and buy all these makeup cleaners and all these other brands, but hey, what works for you, works for you. Little dishwash liquid, little olive oil, we good to go. So let me know what you think in the comments. Have you used this method before? And if not, let me know what you do. Anyway, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment below. And go ahead and give me a little thumbs up. And I will be back on another video, of course. Y'all, I got so many videos, of course. Alright, y'all, so I'm out. Don't forget, you can follow me on all social media. The links are in the info box. And thank you for watching.